In the attic of an old Victorian house, there was a dusty typewriter that nobody dared to touch. Legend said it was cursed. One night, a curious writer decided to try the typewriter. As the keys moved, words appeared on a page, words he never typed himself. The words told a chilling story, a story about someone trapped between worlds, begging for release. The writer's hands trembled as he read each line. Suddenly, the typewriter began typing by itself, faster and faster, revealing his own fate, trapped forever like the phantom whose story he'd uncovered. The attic grew cold, whispers echoed, but when the writer looked around, no one was there, only the typewriter patiently waiting for its next victim. To this day, locals claim if you listen closely near the old house, you can hear the typewriter's keys clicking. Whether real or just a ghostly trick, no one knows.